What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV, Knuckles coming at you. Today is the day, January 14th. Today is the day of Hyna on a Dyna's ride, man, here from Woodlands, Harley Davidson. So there's already a bunch of people here, man. We try to get here a little bit early. Wife's over there getting stuff ready for, we have a vendor spot here. So it is already here, man. Let me show you some of the people that are here. It's gonna be a great event. DJ Nando's over there DJing. So he'll be over here as well, man, taking care of that stuff. And let me show you what you got. And this is the rest of the crew that's here so far. We'll see if we can talk to her here in a little bit, man, and see how excited she is and see if she's ready for the actual ride. So I saw a little something on the fender over there, man. We're gonna have to ask her about that as well. So I got the drone out, ready to get up. And then we'll just share the experience with y'all and then share everything else that happens here today, man. So we'll see you in a little bit. Let's go. All right, kinfolk, we're here with Hyna on a Dyna now. So, hey, just let everybody know, how excited are you about this whole event here?
Excited and cold.
Yeah, excited and cold, yeah.
Cold.
Yeah.
My fingers were a little pink and purple this morning, but it's all good.
That's awesome, that's
good.
awesome. So what about the turnout? I mean, so far the turnout's amazing, huh?
It is.
Really cool.
I'm shocked.
I don't know why.
My first event.
Great things happen to great people,
Stage
man.
fright.
Stage fright. So you plan on doing more events like this?
Of course.
Okay,
of course.
so here at the dealership.
Here at
From the dealership.
Yes.
Awesome,
Yes.
awesome. So
maybe we'll figure out like something else, whether it's other rides somewhere else.
Right, gotcha. So that's awesome there. So everybody that don't follow you on social media, y'all should. So let them know what that is. It's
Hyna on a Dyna. Gosh, I don't know if it's Hyna underscore
yeah.
On underscore A underscore and then Dyna. But it's pretty simple. I think usually whenever you enter Hyna on a Dyna, it pops up anyways.
Yeah, and I'll have it down below as well. So you just have to click the link. It'll take you straight to it, man. So, but if y'all don't follow her, then you probably didn't know all the stuff you had to go through just to get to this point, right? So she had some issues, man, but you got them knocked out.
Yeah.
People came together, right, and helped you out and got everything taken care of. But then you had something you said that you wanted to share with everybody. So do you want to do that here now?
We can.
Let's do it. Let's go check it out.
You want to see it?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
All right, we're at the bike. So you want do the honors and show us exactly what you got going on here.
Well, so of course a lot of people knew about the little mishap of my tire and my pulley and whatnot. So we got that taken care of. We got done about 2:30 in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. So it was a little rough getting up, but this was gifted to me.
Dang. How sick is that? So that was gifted by a very talented artist, obviously.
Yes, sir.
So
Dyno Designs Art. He does have underscores in between each of those names. Dyno underscore Designs underscore Art. He was the one that gifted it. It was just something that
didn't know nothing about it.
Didn't know nothing about. My man asked him if he could do something for the vendor, and this is what we got. So now the rest of the bike will get it.
Now the rest of the bike's gonna get it too. That's gonna be dope, man. So hey, look, I'll do a little more footage on that thing there, but that is so legit, so legit. And then, so if y'all don't know, I mean, purple's her thing, right? So she got that stuff going on, but we'll get into that. I'll show you the rest of the bike. She's got to get ready to get some stuff going on, so we'll be back with y'all here in a little bit, man.
Badass thank you to all you beautiful women on these bikes. There are no men allowed on bikes to be on this ride. Just so you know. And Knuckles, I know you're broadcasting this, so I'm saying it out loud. No men allowed on this ride. So I'll get in trouble for it. Welcome to Harley Davidson of the Woodlands. We have our store manager, Ms. Victoria Lynn Ball.
Hi.
She's the first female manager of the Harley Davidson, and this was something that we came up with, and to do something a little bit different for 2023. hopefully we can do this and make this very continuously as much as possible. Today leading the ride and hosting this event is Hyna on the Dyna, Alita Lugo, which is right there.
So we are making a little bit of a change on the route. We're going to just stick to more of a highway ride. We're doing an exit 1090.
We're going to get off at 1097.
1097.
So yeah, just a little further north.
Yeah, it'll just be a straight shot. We were going to do the 105, but because of all the lights and whatnot, we're just going to do that straight shot, and then it'll, we'll hang out there for a little bit, and then we'll come back. We're still going to be good. I don't know if anybody needs to get gas or anything. We can certainly make a stop for that. I don't know if
way back.
Yeah, on the way back, most definitely, but just in case. I mean, I have a smaller tank too, so I know. Yeah, I know that feeling. So I just don't want anybody to feel like, And if you need to pull over, anything, just let somebody know so we can, get that taken care of.
Make sure you guys use your hands. You know I'm bald too, right? Alright, always. Thank you guys for this beautiful day. We appreciate all your blessings. We appreciate everything that you do for us. We have all these beautiful women riding today, and they're going on their own to do an all women's ride. We ask that you send them blessings, look out for them, keep them safe, keep them free, keep them together. This is a team, these are sisters, but they're also mothers, and they're also our friends and close ones. So we as today here at RBW Woodlands, please bless us with all the blessings as possible and keep everybody safe. Thank you and God bless you.
Amen. But look who showed up. He's setting it up right now. Look at DJ Nando getting it. 2147 crew in the house, baby. What? Look at here. What's happening, man?
What's going on, brother?
Yes, sir. Hey, you too. Finally, man. Finally. But if y'all don't know about 2147 crew, man, he's got the baddest road glide around. With a turbo from Trash Performance, man, all the way, internals, everything, huh?
Yeah, man, it's a work in progress.
Yeah.
But, once you go up to here, there's a lot. Right now I'm fine-tuning it, but it's a fully built engine from Trash, bottom up. Basically a 131 race engine, and then the turbo one's a bad. But carbon fiber wheels. So y'all go to the channel, check it out.
Yeah. His link, listen, his link will be down below, man. Y'all go give him a follow, Instagram, YouTube. You're gonna see everything that he's done already, man, and then upgrading it even more. So y'all check him out, man. I'm telling you, right, when this cat pulls up, you know he's whistling Dixie, baby, whistling Dixie. You want to know everything that he's got going on? Go to his channel, check him out, man. Subscribe to him, let him know Knuckles sent you, and that way you can follow the whole process and you'll get all the details there too, man. So y'all go check him out. We'll get back with y'all here in a little bit, and we're still waiting on Hyna on the Dyna.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Back.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna go over there and set up just like you.
Yeah.
Make sure, because it's a big deal, man. It's an all-women thing.
Yeah.
I support it 100%. I got a baby girl.
Yeah.
Now we got nieces, sisters, cousins, or something. But it is how it is, and so I can't wait. I'm very happy that I was invited. Very happy to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
And just here, just good energy, good vibes, right,
Yeah,
bro?
yeah, for sure. For
I
sure.
got my allergy medicine in there.
Hell yeah. Hey, man, so like I said, y'all check it out, man. I'm so happy to finally meet him in person. He's got an amazing bike, man, and, I just start drooling over shit like this, man. So, hey, I appreciate it, brother, and we're going to hang out some more, man, talk some more, but we'll get back with y'all here after a while. See ya. Hey, let me tell you, we had a great time out here today. So anytime you get to support any kind of ride or any kind of dealership, man, make sure you get out there and do that. I just want to say thanks to Hyna on a Dyna for letting us be a part of this and show support for the ride and for the whole dealership and everything like that, man. So I appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Stay tuned for the next adventure or the next install. So until then, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.